Over the years, we have shown several ways to use a 5-gallon bucket. Here's another one. It's called a cut bucket. It's simply a 5-gallon bucket in which I cut 2 V-grooves about 3 inches wide, 2.5 inches deep across from one another. And then on the opposite side of the bucket, I cut 2 squared off notches. The V-grooves are perfect for cutting any round stock, plastic, pipe, wooden dowels, in a wide variety of diameters, from large to small. Here's a piece of copper tubing. Then the squared off notches, which are only about 3.5 inches wide, 3/4 inches deep, is perfect for cutting wood. You can cut 1x2s and even smaller stock, all the way up to 1x4s. Fits right in there tight, nice shoulder to hold against, so you get a nice steady cut, doesn't move around. And even as large as a 2x4 with a circular saw. So it's not only for hand sawing, but also for using a portable circular saw. And the bucket doubles as a place to store hand tools and even the scraps.